And let's go into the dresser drawers, shall we? Can't even open this because it's jam-packed. It's a lot. Hi, I'm Dee from Dee Lovely Life, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Thursday's Decluttering with Dee. I am actually in our guest room today. I wanted to declutter a dresser, and I have been just dumping things in this dresser. I've never shown this dresser here on my channel yet, and this year I want to do decluttering big and small spaces as eventually I want to downsize our home. I am not in our guest room very often, so a lot of this space here is used just as storage. I really want to start diving into our guest room more. So expect more videos of this room, but for right now, I'm going to declutter the dresser drawers for the first time. I have been just tossing some of my mom's clothes and her bags. I didn't want to deal with the dresser. And let's go into the dresser drawers, shall we? I got random things in here. This was in my bedroom. I was supposed to put a photo in there. I still haven't done that. Same thing with this one. I'm supposed to put a photo in there. I haven't done that yet. So I got nail polish. I got one of these dry erase ink pens that don't belong here, so that needs to be relocated. Some scissors that need to be relocated. My mom's one of her many rosaries that needs to be relocated in her other drawer. Some of this stuff too I brought back from our other home, and these need to be relocated. Geez, nothing goes in here. Yeah, this is a lot of my mom's stuff that I use for her care. And when I travel, I normally just toss this stuff. I don't even know what this is. This can probably be in the trash. This is mine. That needs to be relocated downstairs. Don't know what this is too. Some cotton balls here with some fingernail polish that is starting to separate, so I can throw that in the garbage. All of this can actually be with the rest of the nail stuff that goes downstairs. Got a hair clip that doesn't belong in there. Medical tape. A soft moisturizing cream, which is probably old, so that can be thrown out. Some tissues that can actually go in the racy red. Oh, I totally forgot. My mom got the audio on Kate. We started, but we never finished it, so this is in great timing. Okay, give that to Queen G. Oh, this is for catnip. How old is good catnip? Because we have a new toy, and I was going to have to go and find some catnip, so this is actually comes in handy. Don't know what that is. Quarter, some old chapstick that needs to be in the garbage. Bible that actually is with the furniture. Oh. Here's some black knee-high stockings. That was my mom's. And funny thing, we used it for our gardening, for our watermelon. It actually worked. Ankle high, yeah. We don't need these either. That could be tossed. What that is, I don't know. It's just an empty box. And then here are some vintage antique pillowcase. Look at that. And this was actually Jay's grandmother's, who owned all of this furniture. So I'm going to keep that in there. Actually, that should probably go right here, along with the Bible. Oh, geez, this is, oh, see, look. Can't even open this because it's jam-packed on the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and take everything out and place it on the bed. I don't want to declutter anyone's stuff but my own, but as a family caregiver to my mom who is unable to, it's a project for me to take on. I include her in the process of all decluttering. I think that's key. Most things I pretty much know on my own, especially clothing and like loose items like these in our guest room. But if there's an item I'm not sure of, if it has more meaning to her, I'll place it aside and ask her later. I want to give her the respect of her own things and let her make some of the important decisions so she feels her things matter. Also, another tip is to make decluttering with your parent short. It gets to be too much all at once for them, just like us. So, do a little at a time. That seems to work best for Queen G and I. Alright, third drawer. I'm going to take all of this out as well. Guys, this one still has the price tag on it. Too funny. This is all of the stuff that was pretty much into that dresser. It's a lot. Look, I also found she made this like back in the 80s. It's an apron. It has little hearts on it. I thought it would be kind of cute to use it for Valentine's, right? Kind of hang that up. Total vintage. And I also found a bunch of socks for her. I think I put these up here because it was summer and these are just too hot for her to wear. I already know that these ones were a no-go, so we'll go ahead and get rid of those. This one, get rid of. This one was too tight, so we're gonna go ahead and get rid of those. These ones she likes, so we'll keep those. These ones, it was like easy from the hospital, but I don't want those. And then this one here, she made. It's a scarf. So that needs to go downstairs in her closet. This is a leg warmer. I don't know where the other one is, but that can also go too. We'll keep that. So that's going to go downstairs. These are going to go. These were her jeans she wore, but really, because she's in a wheelchair, these would be just not practical for her. So I'm going to donate these as well. And I'm going to go ahead and try to sell these ones. And then this is mine. It's a really pretty velvet. And I forgot that I had it in here. I got to really get a lint roller. But I definitely want to keep these. So I really enjoy wearing these, going out. Add some cute black boots with these. Ooh. So I'm going to keep those. I'm going to put those in my closet. All of these, I think, is good for us to get rid of. The elastic on here is so old. So these are my mom's old sweats, her old sweatshirt. And she wore this for Halloween as a tape man, if you guys ever seen that on America's Got Talent. These are some older black capri pants. I'm going to buy her new ones. And then these are her velour sweat pants, but it's kind of uncomfortable, so I'm going to go ahead and donate those. I found Jay's old swimming trunks. They've only been worn like maybe once or twice, so I'm going to go ahead and donate those. And then this Alfani sweater, I think I was going to try to sell it, but really I'm just going to go ahead and donate. That one was Jay's. So these are all to donate. This stack here is like all of her nightgowns. But I think I'm going to donate that one. Donate this one. Although I love this one. This has fond memories. But I think it'd be easier for me to get rid of it right now while she's still with us. She enjoys wearing this one, and this one is easy for me too because it has a front zipper. So I'm going to have her keep that one. This one is a brand new one, and she actually chose that one, so I'm going to go ahead and put that downstairs for her. This one here is her old pajama set. Oh man, this is hard. When my mom would stay with us, she would be wearing these, but I think it's just time. It's time. Sorry. This one just reminds me too much of when she was in and out of the hospital and the nursing home, so I'm going to go ahead and donate this one as well. So all of these can go ahead and be donated. These are all t-shirts that she has worn throughout these years, and I think it's just time to go ahead and donate these since we've already purchased her some new ones. So I'm going to go ahead and donate those. I want to go through this pile here real quick. So these ones right here, I'm going to take downstairs because these she can wear. They're going to keep her warm until winter time is over. I'm also going to add that to that pile there. But I also have these here. This one, look, she hasn't been worn. I don't know if she's going to fit in that either. Or no, I'm going to have her try that on. This is her absolutely favorite sweater, so I'm going to keep that one for her, as well as she has her favorite blazers. So I'm going to keep those for her for right now. And that one I just need to hang up. Okay. This was actually something my mom made. I'm going to keep that there. And then in this one, this is the second drawer, and I have some photos here. So that's actually going to go into the office, so that shouldn't even be here. So I'm going to relocate that. I'm going to place these on hangers for her so we can wear those. But I think this one, it just was too hot for her. So I think I'm going to go ahead and add that to the donating pile. I'm going to ask her if she wants this one or not. Look at all this. So all of this clutter can be gone. Nice. And that drawer looks better. Second drawer looks better. First drawer. Hey, let me know in the comments down below, what decluttering projects are you currently working on, and how are you doing as far as your decluttering journey? Well, I have some yard work that I have to get back to, and I gotta put back on my caregiving hat. Until the next one, bye! On the bottom.
For more decluttering motivation, click on one of these videos here. And don't forget to click on my icon for continuous variety of videos in homemaking, decluttering, caregiving vlogs, and more. Thanks for watching.